Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of the PICTEK gaming mouse with mouse pad. This is, or at least was, listed for quite some time on Amazon with Prime. Unfortunately currently unavailable, but I think it will come back. It has been here for quite some time and it's one of the best rated computer mice in at least gaming mice with these reviews, so good reviews in this price class. Here you can see some pictures. It has a nice DPI button where you can select between 1200 and 7200 with 5 DPI levels. We have the left, right button, DPI, the soft, this scroll wheel, which looks really nice. I had a similar one with a more expensive mouse, and that was really awesome. Forward, backward, which I don't use a lot, but yeah. So we have the different colors and different DPI. I see. It says 60 million customized backlight for your preferred LED. I thought it's fixed, so it looks like you can assign. Probably there's a program included you can download as a CD, or yeah, let's see. Here we just have the description. That's a soft rubber mouse mat included, and yeah, it's for office, gaming, family, whatever, and looks actually really good, and I hope it's really good. I never had this thing before, and I just wanted to save some money and still have a gaming mouse, and it looked really good, so I gave it a try. Obviously I ordered one of the last available on Amazon, but yeah, as already said, I guess it will come back. So that's the listing. Now let's move on to the box and let's see how it works. The thing is, it comes in a very interesting packaging. It's really long, and it does not have any kind of description. It says made in China. That's really everything. So it seems they try to save at every place they can. I just hope they didn't save at the product itself. So yeah, here it comes out of the box. So the mouse pad is rolled. I think it will go flat over time. So let's see how it is. Yeah, it's probably not the most expensive one, but at least it's, as you see, the edges seem to be quite good quality. I hope you can see that. So it shouldn't wear out quickly. So I hope it will last for some time. Of course, it does not have any fancy picture or something like that, which you have with higher priced gaming mice, but it is as it is. I needed a mouse pad, so the difference between mouse only and mouse with the pad is only $5, so I thought it's worth to buy this. So the cable is quite long. I think it's about, let's see, yeah, I would say it's about 5 feet long, and it has a really nice plug, which really looks like some kind of gaming. It's not just like standard. It looks a little bit fancy, not super fancy, but it's quite okay. So it has some point here where you can grab and easily plug it out. A little bit easier if it was compared if it was just straight. So good so far. Of course, it has this program on a mini CD-ROM, and a lot of computers don't have a CD-ROM anymore, so I will check if this program is available for download. I think the mouse will work without the program, but it's if you like the colors, then you probably will need that. I don't know if it will work with the DPI settings without the program, I'm guessing, but I will definitely let you know before the end of the video. So here we have some instructions, and yeah, standard functions, macro definition, macro definitions. You can build some macros. Yeah, it's a little bit, it's not in super good quality, especially the pictures. I don't know if you can see everything. Probably you can't see everything. I mean, the pictures, yeah, I can't see anything, and probably you won't be able to see anything too, but there's a description. Pictures are really close to worthless. So the description is available in Chinese or Japanese or something like that. It's available in German. Wow, what a surprise for me. German and English, and probably there are more languages too. Let's see, that looks like Spanish and maybe French. Yeah, that's definitely French and Italian. Yeah, that must be Italian. That's it. Yeah, a lot of languages, not too bad. Good surprise, but I think it's actually not needed. So if the software is good. So let's have a closer look at the mouse itself. So it's quite big. It's a full-size mouse. It's not a travel mouse. So it's a little bit narrow, not too much. I think it has a quite good size for me. I have medium, like gloves or so. I have something, yeah, I would say medium. So it fits actually perfectly. So it's not a lot of soft rubber. It does not have a lot of grip on top of the mouse. Of course, if you want that, you have to pay a little bit more. For about $30 or $40, you will get a little bit more grip if you need that on top. But the clicking is quite good. It does not have a lot of resistance. So left and right seem to be about the same, which is good. Not much resistance, but still enough resistance not to hit it just by chance. So the wheel is absolutely awesome. I have bought a Logitech tracking ball. Maybe some of you have seen the video about that, and I really didn't like the mouse wheel of the tracking ball there. Apart from that, I still have the tracking ball. I'm using it where I have not much space beside the keyboard, but the wheel is not really, I'm really not happy with the wheel. It works, but it looks like super cheap. This one is much better, even when the mouse is actually cheaper. These buttons seem to work, yeah. So you can feel that it's not a $50 or a $100 mouse, but it's not a bad thing. So it has a decent weight, not too heavy, not too light. For me, it's really a good thing. So I mean, I haven't used it till now, but just from touching it, it seems to be quite good. Here we have I don't know what it is, turn on, turn off, or reset? I can't see it at the moment. I will find out. So I'll stop the unboxing here. I will head to the computer and let you know how it works. Okay, I had this mouse connected to my computer and tried it without the software. So, and it seems to work everything pretty well without the software. You can choose the DPI settings from the top. I think that's the fastest. It has the yellow color. Then the speed goes down with purple, green, blue, red, and red is then the slowest. I really can't remember. I think red is the slowest, but of course, if you like the red, you can take this DPI. If you're not a gamer, then choose this DPI setting and go to the mouse settings on window and adjust the speed again, and it should work usually for you. So it has, as a standard, it's using this breathing mode or breathing mode. For me, it's also like a pulse or something like that. I think you can't change that without the software. It will always be like this in the color where you selected the DPI setting. If you install the software, you will have different settings like a permanent blue or permanent red or permanent green. I think you can also choose different colors with different DPI settings, so you don't have to use red at the lowest or highest DPI setting. So that's the good thing. So there's like a flicker mode, there's a pulsation or breathe mode, there's a steady mode. You have different options regarding the color, and the good thing is after you wake it up, it will use that mode, the given mode or the programmed mode, and after some time it goes into standby mode where the light is not displayed anymore. Now you have seen that. So if you have a computer in your let's say bedroom, it won't pulse or flicker the whole night. So that's a good thing, and you can wake it up then just by clicking anywhere, I think, or at least, let's try here. Most of the buttons seem to work. That's the good thing. And it's programmable, of course. Just with the software you can create macros. So I don't know, probably for $15 for a mouse. Not many people will use that, but if you're using that, I think there are 3 sets which you can program, as far as I've been understanding that. And I think you can use this button here to switch through these groups of settings. I'm not 100% sure, but I've not found any other reason for this button. There's no on-off button because, of course, it's a wired mouse. It's not a wireless mouse, so it doesn't have a battery or something like that. So the good thing is, it works pretty well. So I've just tested it on Windows 10, and it was really accurate, so really precise. I really had no problems to work for a couple of minutes, open and close some things, drag and drop things, and all the normal stuff which you want to do with a computer mouse. So it's absolutely no problem. But of course, if you want to have all these fancy color settings or the macro programming, you will need the program. And I've been Googling for a while, and I haven't found the driver as a download. There's a page like I something like what's the name of this thing? Can't remember. Yeah, anyway, the name of the mouse, and it then put an I on the beginning and something like that, but the website didn't look very good, and so I haven't found a download for this. Maybe I will find it. Otherwise, yeah, maybe you have an old computer with a drive, or you have an external drive. You can buy external CD-ROM drives for about 10 or 15 bucks. So it's sometimes still a good decision to have one on hand if you get a CD-ROM like this one. So I think yeah, that should be enough for a $15 mouse. So I'm quite happy with the buy. For now, I don't see any major problem. Looks really good. Touch and feel is good. So I've tried this for a while, and I will definitely do an update in the description. So if I'm not happy, if it falls apart or whatever, you will find the information in the description. And if you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.